everyone, not so many people request. I am share with you how to make a origami wallet. This one is good for the kid that want to hold something thin, because I don't believe they have credit card, but they have library card or something, some other card they can put it in. Or if you want to make it for yourself, feel free to do so. The interface that I use in here, I use heat and bond tape. So with this, have a paper on one side and the other side is like sandy kind of. When you iron, you face the sandy side down to the fabric and the paper side up. So this one, I cut this 8.5 inches by 11 inches long. So if you have a hard time cutting evenly, you get the Xerox paper and cut exactly the same size. So I have two. I have the lining and the main fabric. The main fabric I use the flower, and the lining I use the pink. I want to place it, the sandy paper down. When I face this down, I'm gonna make sure that I have all around 1/4 of an inch or so. Alright, so now you're going to use low heat on the iron, and then you slowly go like this. Okay, don't turn it too high. You turn it too high, you're gonna ruin this. Okay, so turn it to a medium low and kind of go like that, pressing this out just like so. Very gentle, which is out like that, so that way it doesn't wrinkle from the inside. Okay. So cool down. And for the other side, you can use paper, the Xerox paper, 8.5 inch by 11. You place it in here, and then you can use this to guide you to fold exactly the same way that we just did. So we can trim the corners and then do exactly the same way with this, because we don't have another piece of the interfacing. So we use the paper exactly the same size. That's where I use to cut the heat and bond interfacing. So go and do that. Place it around and then start folding. Everyone, after I fold those two, remember this is the paper, you can take that away after you fold it. It's for the guy to fold this one. And now on this one with the interfacing, you can peel this off, the paper right here. Peel that out. And when you peel this out, you gently put this side back on. You can iron this if you want to, so it can come down for you. But very gentle when you iron, very little at the time. Okay, so I'm gonna go little right at the corner first, and then go gently go around here. Because if you go farther down, it's gonna hit the interfacing, and then it's going to break that. So just gently, so it can go down and flat down easy for you, like that, okay? You see how it go down? I love making origami stuff. Bring back the lining piece that you already fold. You're gonna face the fold down to this fold. Make sure everything is meet up nicely. You can pin, you can actually, you don't pin, you can clip it down if you want to, and then you go around gently. Make sure all the corners meet up nicely. Okay, very important. Have to be even. And if you do fold the same way that I fold, then everything is perfectly fine. Like this, okay? When it's done, you're going to iron gently in here. Okay, I'll show you when we iron. So when I'm done, clip all around. Make sure every single line by line is met here and everything. You slowly go and iron this. Okay, you turn the iron to medium. Don't go too high. Okay, I'm gonna take little at a time for this, because when you iron this down, it's going to be down. You can't take it back. Okay, so go slow and make sure you're doing this, okay? And this time you're going to take your time and do this. People complain if you're doing a lot of iron and blah blah blah, then you know what to do. Like this, everyone. Gently press all this out. When you iron this down, the interfacing, it's going to stick into the pink side too. Okay, the other side already stick into the main side of the fabric, and this time I'm ironing, it's going to stick on this lining. So now it's staying together just like that. The two pieces, just like the piece of paper with two sides. So at this time, you're going to top stitch all 4 sides here. Top stitch very close to this here. Okay, top stitch. Alright everyone, so I top stitch very close, you can see. Very close around the side here. Alright, I'm facing the right side, facing down. Folding this in half. So now every time you fold, you're going to iron, but you gotta make sure everything is lined up and evenly. Iron this. On the bottom here, you're gonna meet the center, and top meet the center. Okay, so now you have something like this. The top one right here, you're going to flap halfway up. But I put the finger there, I just want to make sure it's even on the top. Okay, now this side is done. You're gonna flap into this side. At the end right here, you're going to bring it in 1/2 inch. You're gonna go and sew this line together, sew this line together, so the 2 ends is staying. Sew this all the way and then sew this. So after I sewed it together, you can see that's 2 ends is staying together. So now we're gonna sew on this side down. This side, we're gonna sew this down. So we're going to sew this 2 side down. After you sew on the 2 sides here, this side and this side, try to do this on the paper, everyone, and you see you like it. Get a good paper if you want to make for kids. Do the paper for them. Okay, so now it's like this. You're going to bring this side, fold this side in. When you do, you're gonna make sure side by side everything is meet up. I'm gonna just clip it down. Just want to make sure everything I do is nice and even. So on this side also the same. Like so. Bottom here where all this. Okay, on this side, not on this side. Okay, this side it have 1 pocket. This side, you're going to sew very close all the way, or you can do a blind stitch underneath here if you want to. So everyone, after I sew on the line underneath here, and that is that, you're gonna fold this in half this way. Yeah, in the card. So this is it. This, you can put the bill, the dollar in there. on one side in there, a dollar bill, and then on this side you can put some card. Okay, I put the card here, I put the card here. Very simple. Kid can do this too. And then when you're done, it's gonna flat down for you. Okay, so simple. Let me show you how to. I just want to throw it away. Let me show you how to do on the paper. So same size, 8.5 inch by 11 inches. Fold it in half. Make sure you fold it like this. And fold again. Just watch, okay? I'm not gonna talk. Just watch. So easy when you're making the paper like that. This is the fabric one, and this is the paper one. I suggest you to do the paper one for Christmas. Stay safe and take care, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I just want to say thank you for the people who joined my channel membership. That's how I get my material and continue to do more video in the future. Also, thank you for the people who click on the like button to support my video and my channel. Stay safe. Love you.